Always get compliments whenever I do my hair with the Dyson Airwrap, so let's do a tutorial. I will section my hair into 2 sections, spray a little bit of heat protectant, and then I will brush it through one more time. Grab a portion of your hair about this size, start the Airwrap in the middle of your hair, and let the air curl it up. Have it on heat for 10 seconds, and then put the cool shot on for another 10 to 15 seconds. The cool shot is key so that it actually sets your curls in place for the whole day, and it'll actually last a long time. And that's it. You basically repeat those same steps. I know there's a learning curve, but the biggest thing is making sure the air up starts in the middle of your hair and let the air do its job. Spray after each section, so I'll add texturizing spray and then I'll flip the switch here so that it curls away from my face, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. If you have thicker hair, you can have the heat on for closer to 15 to 20 seconds, but mine is thin and fine. Now we're going to clip up that section and do the top super fast. Once you get the hang of it, it is so easy. Repeat the steps, spray your hairspray or texturizing spray, and then voila, so much volume and bounce. The curls will fall a little bit throughout the day, but it'll still have so much volume and nice waves. So I love it. Hope this was helpful.